Let's get your Square stand up and running. In this video, you'll see how to set up and power up, install the Square Point of Sale app that fits your business, learn how to take your first payment, easily add all the right accessories, and pair additional Square hardware for an even more flexible checkout. Inside your box, there's Square Stand, a getting started guide, power adapter and cable, USB hub, drill mount and adhesive mount. To power up, connect the USB-C cable that's attached to the hub to the base of stand. Then grab the power adapter and connect it to the hub. If you're not using the hub, simply plug the power adapter directly into stand. Next, plug one end of the power adapter cable into the power adapter and the other end into a plug socket. Stand can swivel either way. For clockwise, have the hub or power adapter's USB-C cable exit the base on the right. For anti-clockwise, have it exit on the left. Stand is compatible with your Apple iPad, which simply slides in and docks to the connector. You'll know it's locked in place when you hear the security latch click. To disconnect, pull out, then push down on the raised security latch. Install software by downloading one of Square's point of sale apps from the App Store. Sign in with your existing Square account or set up a new one. Now you're ready to start taking payments. Square Stand provides a fast and intuitive checkout for you and your customers. It's this simple. Just add items to the basket and tap charge. A customer-facing order summary will appear and lights will flash around the contactless icon and chip and pin card slot. Turn stand 180 degrees at the base. The customer can pay by tapping their contactless card or device near the flashing contactless icon or by inserting their chip and pin card into the slot. You'll hear a confirmation tone when the transaction is complete. In settings, you can customize the checkout experience from order summary to receipts, VAT and more. You can connect a barcode scanner, receipt printer, cash drawer and other accessories via the USB hub or wirelessly via Bluetooth or your local network. The Square app will confirm when an accessory is connected. Square Stand also works with other Square hardware. To take payments at a distance, plug Square Reader into the USB hub. Or add a customer-facing display with payments built right in by wirelessly connecting to Square Terminal. To learn more about how to use your Square Stand, go to square.com/go/stand-guide.